The Tecno's latest smartphone called Tecno Camon 30s has arrived in Pakistan, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Tecno Camon 30s features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD Plus curved AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1300 nits of peak brightness support, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio G100 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Tecno Camon 30s sports a triple camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony's IMX896 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience, and it is IP53 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, FM radio, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.49 by 74.55 by 7.62 millimeters. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Tecno Camon 30s has been priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 59,999 Pakistani rupees. And it is now available for purchase in the country in Nebula Violet, Blue, Celestial Black, and Dawn Gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Tecno Camon 30s smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Oh,